So I'm in the studio today to talk about this amazing coffee machine. The Sage Oracle brings the coffee shop experience to your home. It's got automatic grind, dose and tamp abilities, which not only saves you time, but it will also help the water to flow evenly through the coffee, giving you that barista quality coffee. So let me show you how it works. You start by pouring your beans into the bean hopper, set your grind size on the side here. You then fit the portafilter underneath the grind outlet and twist to the right to start grinding. It grinds your coffee to a precise setting using between 18 and 22 grams of freshly ground beans. It then tamps it perfectly, as you can see here. You now insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. You then place your cup underneath, and then you've got the choice between either a single or a double shot. Let's go for a double. Take a look at that. The crema looks great and it smells fantastic. You can then get your milk ready using the automatic milk frother. Using a powerful steam temperature, you'll have your hands on velvety milk in seconds. You can set your temperature here, and as you can see, there's a smiley face next to the recommended temperatures, which I think is really handy. You then fill the jug, which comes with the product, with fresh cold milk, and then place it underneath the steam wand. You then have the option to manually or automatically steam your milk. I'm going to do this automatically, and I do this by pressing this down, and then it will stop once it reaches the desired temperature, which is shown here. The Sage Oracle prides itself on its silky microfoam milk, which uses heat to create thousands of tiny bubbles, which bring out the rich flavour of the espresso, whilst enhancing the sweetness of the milk. Now the milk's ready, so if I take the jug out, it then auto-cleans the steam wand. And now I'm no latte artist, but let me give this a go. Come and take a look at that. That is absolutely shocking. I was going for a swirl and it didn't really work. The interactive display helps you to create the exact coffee that you were looking for, as it helps you to do things like set the pre-infusion time, which is the process of gently soaking the puck of ground coffee in your portafilter before applying the desired pressure to extract your espresso. For a machine that gives you such high quality coffee, it's so easy to use. And if you'd like more info about the Sage Oracle coffee machine, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.